Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to see how we can reset the WordPress password if we haven't already configured WordPress's MTP. WordPress's MTP means if your WordPress instance can send out emails, then it's fine. You can go to Lost Password and enter your email and get a link to reset your password. So if you already haven't set up the emails and you lost the password, then this is the way. So this is the email username that I'm going to try today. So I forgot the password, so what I'm going to do is I need to go to my hosting panel and go to the database section and then go to the database management. And then from there, you can enter the phpMyAdmin. So you will see similar dashboard like this, regardless whatever you're hosting, your web panel. So from there, you need to search for this WP_user_table. Go into that user table, and so from there, what you need to do is you need to find the username that you need to change the password for. So I'm going to change the password for this admin user. So you need to click on this edit button, and from there, like in this user pass field, you can delete this and enter your password. So I'm going to say something like that, and I'm going to copy that for later. So, and then you need to select this MD5 encryption from here. And after that, you can click on this Go button. And now you can see this query is successful and one row is affected, so which means we are good to go. And then what you need to do is you can go to the URL and you can paste the copied password, and you can click on the login icon, login button. And yes, here we are. So this is how you can get access to any WordPress site that you have lost access to. If this tutorial helped you reset your WordPress password, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or need help with anything else, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next one.